This video I'm going to demonstrate how to use Claude Code. So Claude Code compares to OpenAI's Codex, GitHub Copilot, and Google Jules. The difference in Claude Code is that it have deeper code-based understanding, and also it's running in terminal. It supports multiple models, and you run your code locally on your computer. Claude Code is the best for me in terms of it's semi-autonomous. I can control. All right. So to install that, so the first thing you need to install is Node.js. This is the I googled Node.js for Windows. I'm working on Windows or a Windows binary, so I'm gonna download the binary here. Okay, so download it. I'm gonna install. I already installed, so I want for you kind of yeah. So that's good. Now we need to install Claude Code from command line. So we need Windows terminal, PowerShell. I'm going to paste this line that I copied, install. Okay, so it's already installed, so that's very quick. Okay, let's do something with it. Work on a project called DataBlade.ai, AI-powered data science platform. So that's what we work on some real code base here, which is relatively large. Code is run locally and can edit your code directly. And also you don't need to move this code back and forth. So version control, I'm using GitHub Desktop here. I'm going to see, click test. So new branch, I'm going to clone this. So I'm going to have Claude Code mess around with this branch command line. So what we're going to do now is go to that folder. Go to that folder, I think it's more. Okay, so now we could start Claude. We're going to see Claude. I have some question for us. Do you trust this? Enter. And the first thing you recommend is run the initiate command to create a cloud.md file. Next. Okay, so this is going to read all the files. And you can see Claude create a to-do list of things they will do. So this is a so-called agent-based coding where they actually made a plan for themselves and work on each of the to-do items on to-do list step by step. Do you want to proceed? Check for hidden files. Yes. So they were going to ask you before they take actions here. Now they are creating this cloud.md file, markdown file that has information about the entire code base because I have dozens of files across different folders. So Claude are going to run this. I think this makes perfect sense to me. Where okay, do you want to create? Yes. So let's get started with the task. First, let me run this app for now, and so I want to add a borderline that lists the file that user uploaded. Come back to Claude Code. I want to see add a borderline to the list of short file data files on the top of the left sidebar. Use similar style like the individual code chunks in the main panel. So let's see. And Claude made three things to do. Examine the sidebar structure, found the code chunk starting in the main map panel, and applied it. So 3 steps. So you can see now it's working on it. Okay, now they want to make changes to the code. So they ask you, do you want to make this edit to the code? So you enter, say yes, say yes. Come back to GitHub Copilot and see what I did. So the first thing is add the cloud.md file. Okay. Well, this is rather short. This is the edit that Claude made. Let's give it a try before we commit this and run this code again. Oh, we had a line here, because ideally I want it to be wider. Make the new also change the borderline to blue. So this Claude made 2 lists to do and 2 things to do. So yes. Now let's go try it again. Come back, run this again. You can see this is exactly what I want. So now I come back to GitHub Copilot and commit add cloud.md to git ignore. So I'm going to ignore that. I'm going to commit this. So I really like this. I think I've been hearing people talking about Claude Code for a long time. So this is fantastic. This is exactly, I think, what I like, in the sense that I have control and I run things locally, not in a virtual machine. I can test it very easily in my own environment.